Hej allihopa! Hello everybody, welcome to Helsdon Outdoors. In your Helsdon hammock you can store all your gear inside, either at the foot end here at the storage area or at the head end. But stuff that you want easy access to during the night is better to hang from the ridge line in some kind of bag perhaps. Now you can buy these and they're often called ridge line organizers, and some of them I think are heavily overpriced. I'll show you how you can make your own bag to hang from the ridge line, and you can use any bag you want. I have used the stuff bag that comes with the hammock so that I don't have to bring anything extra on my trip. And I can store glasses, a book, snack, or my phone. It costs next to nothing, and it only takes a few minutes. I'll show you how. So I'm turning the stuff bag for the Helsdon hammock into a bag that you can hang from the ridge line. So you want the opening here and then stuff to attach to the ridge line over there. Now I'm going to show you how to do this using Velcro. I have a hard piece of Velcro, it's about 3 centimeters, and a longer piece, the soft one, is about 7 centimeters. And the goal is to sew it onto the bag. So you can put your ridge line there and then fold the Velcro over. If you don't want to use Velcro, you can use something else, and I've actually done that here. This is something similar to shoelace. So what I've done is that I've made a loop and then something that can go through over the ridge line and then through the loop. In this case, I just tied a washer to the shoelace. In this case, still have a loop here, and I tied a knot. This is a monkey's fist, so that it goes around the ridge line and then into the loop. But let's see how it's done with Velcro. So about 3 centimeters and then 6 or 7 centimeters, and we put the hard part on top of the soft part. And to sew it on, we need to open up the bag. So you want to open up the bag, and you just need to open up one stitch, and then the other ones will follow. So you get a hole here, and that's where the Velcro goes. In there. And then you turn it inside out. And you sew it back together again. Shouldn't be sticking out. There. So I have the bag inside out. I open up so that I could stick the Velcro in here. And I sew it back together. There. And here's my Velcro. And the ridge line goes in here. All done.